Hello guys, I'm going to show you how you can put screen guard on iPhone 11 Pro Max. As you can see, you first check if the screen guard is well and working well, in a perfect way. After removing it, then you look for the clean parts. As you can see there, you first remove the first one, which is number 1, and that is to dry, and the first one is wet. You first put the one which is wet to clean well.